Meet Sarah. Sarah speaks English quite well. She can hold conversations, understand movies, and communicate confidently. But she has one problem. Spelling. Today, Sarah is trying to spell 3 words: hopeful, kindness, replay. She isn't sure where one part of the word ends and another begins. Should it be hope-ful, kind-ness, replay, or something else? The good news is that Sarah doesn't need to memorize these words one by one. There's a simple spelling pattern that can help her, and it can help you too. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to break words like these into smaller, meaningful parts, making them much easier to read, pronounce, understand, and spell. Let's help Sarah. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Smart English with Chimezie. In today's lesson, we'll be focusing on the 4th rule of breaking words into syllables. Let's begin. In English spelling, many words are made up of smaller parts. 2 very important parts are prefixes and suffixes. A prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word. Some common prefixes are on, re, pre, dis, and mis. A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word. Some common suffixes are in, full, ness, ly, and ment. When dividing words into syllables, we usually split after a prefix and before a suffix. This makes the word easier to read, pronounce, and spell correctly. Let's look at some examples. Replay, unkind, hope-ful, kindness. Notice the pattern carefully. In the word replay, re is the prefix added to the word play. We divide the word after the prefix. Replay. In unkind, un is the prefix, so we split after it. Unkind. Now let's look at suffixes. In hopeful, full is the suffix added to the word hope. We divide before the suffix, hope-ful. In kindness, ness is the suffix, so we split before it, kind-ness. This rule helps make pronunciation clearer and spelling easier because it allows us to recognize smaller parts inside words. Let's practice the words again. Replay, unkind, hopeful, kindness. Each word becomes easier to pronounce when we break it into meaningful parts. Understanding prefixes and suffixes is very important in English because many long words are built this way. Once you can identify these word parts, you will find it easier to spell unfamiliar words, understand the meanings, and pronounce them confidently. For example, un often means not, so unkind means not kind. Re often means again, so replay means play again. Ness can turn a word into a condition or state. For example, kind becomes kindness. Full often means full of, so hopeful means full of hope. Now here's something exciting. Not all long words are built with prefixes and suffixes. Some words are actually made by joining 2 complete words together. For example, what happens when we combine words like sun and light, or foot and ball? In our next lesson, you'll learn rule number 5, how to split compound words. Once you understand this rule, you'll start spotting hidden words inside bigger words, making English spelling even easier and more logical. So keep an eye out for the next lesson. You might be surprised by how many compound words you already know. The more you practice recognizing prefixes and suffixes, the easier English spelling will become for you. So remember this important rule. Split after prefixes and before suffixes. This simple technique can greatly improve your spelling, pronunciation, and reading confidence. Thank you for watching this lesson. Before you go, let's see if you've become a word builder. Challenge number 1. Break these words into the correct parts. Happy, replaying, fearless. Write your answers in the comments. Challenge number 2. Can you find a word that contains both a prefix and a suffix? For example, replaying, re-play in. Now it's your turn. Write your word in the comments and show how you would split it. Bonus challenge. Complete a sentence in the comments. I'll be reading and replying to as many answers as possible. If today's lesson helped you, type "I can see the word parts now" in the comments so I know you're learning with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss Rule 5. Keep learning how to spell English words a smart and easy way, one syllable at a time.